There you go. I could not see it. Oh, laying around. Yeah, that's what I should be doing. But he wanted some breakfast. We supposed to go to Urban Kitchen. But by the time I got up to try to order that, I was like, I don't feel like going over there. I just don't. Don't feel like doing it. Why is my thing open? All that and all that. And let me turn this light on. Because I don't know why all the lights are off.
Let's lower it down.
Do a little faster. Okay. No. You know what? Do it at your face because I don't want you to spill it. All right, go ahead. I don't want you to spill it because I'll be a little, a little hot. Like that.
Mom.
Carter.
Did Stephanie text you about the beach?
I'll check it in a minute. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in. I think it's about one or two of y'all.
We need to add an egg, because this...
No, it's fine. Beat it.
Well, now let me dip these.
You can add one, but I don't want you to make it... I don't want you to put no shells in it. That's what I'm scared of.
You know me, I never put no shells in my baby.
Well, not true. You can keep that little piece, honey. I don't want that. I don't like that little thing that be in the eggs. Slowly. Thank you for the like. Whoever came in, thank you. Appreciate it. We're in here making brunch, some French toast waffles. Trying to
What's
teach
the
them how to
brunch
make
at?
them.
Because this is breakfast.
Well, it's brunch because it's lunchtime. That's all. Okay, not too fast. Slow it down. And calm down.
Guys?
They can see already. Just put it down.
Mom, stop this my job.
You're taking forever with your job. Stop. Like, calm down. And we're Kaden. Because, hold on. I thought y'all was supposed to come. They don't let y'all come on here no more, Kim? Hold on, let me see. I don't know how to do that. Kim, they don't let y'all come on here no more? Or I got to select that in the beginning. I'm about to play some music whenever his phone charges up. I'm about to do it right now. Oh, please. Well, actually, you can talk to him. Where's your phone, hon?
It's on the charge of my game.
So you didn't know how to put it on the regular charger? That was too much, like, right? Yeah. Okay.
So, yo, I don't know why I'm whiskey right now when it's all mixed up. I'm just mixing for fun. But let's dip these bad bitties in there, bad bitties.
I think I'm gonna dust it with this because I don't really like that. You want it in there?
I want a little bit in there, baby.
I'm gonna leave that for a little bit. I like the other one better. Put a little bit of cinnamon up in here, regular cinnamon. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, that's not open.
Well, I'm whisking there's support in there. I'm whisking like you told me to.
It's not open either. How many I got that's not open?
Oh,
what the heck?
That's the one that did that. I thought you
That's
using.
nutmeg. This is... Oh, baby, that's crushed red peppers. I don't like that. Okay, not so fast. How many times I gotta tell you that?
I'm doing it the same speed I use.
You're not. Okay, let it go. Let it go. Stop. Stop. I don't want you messing it up. You want to have it everywhere. All right, now I can put the music on your phone.
Mom, that was not the sound for my phone. That was the sound for your MacBook, remember?
Let go. I said stop. Hello, stop. Take this over there and whisk it up over there. The
That's so
eggs.
chunky.
Take the eggs and whisk it up over there.
I like them big.
Hold it with 2 hands now. I don't need you to have these. Yeah. Dang, this boy, he just do the most. Let me show y'all me and not.
I need it.
You need to go get another.
I'm a big dog.
Do the most.
Me?
Don't even know. Who else?
Me.
Who else but you?
I'm not the most. I'm the most.
I wasn't given the option. So it gave you the option the first time? Because I don't even know how to do it. I didn't select it this time because I kept having so many problems. But I want to see how I can invite people to